gonna turn my bike off. Anybody wants to go around, they can get fucked. So it's coming out of your clutch. So that would be this right here, right? Oh, this?
The rod.
Okay.
It's attached to the case.
Oh, up here? Or oh, right here, this?
Yeah, you see that little plastic bit that's angled right now?
I think so.
That little seal?
Yeah. Oh, it's supposed to be all the way in, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would do it. Well, at least we got that part figured out. Still gonna limp it home?
Yeah.
Okay, I just...
Anything about it. On the flow oil. I have the something on that. But I
right.
can't high rev it. I can't rip it hard.
For sure. I was gonna say, you got like a... like I said, if you look at your tire over here too, you got it all on like... I mean, it's not your chicken strips, but like it's got enough that it'd be sketchy to corner hard anyway. And it's on your can, it's on your bag, it's all over this, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, at least we were on the way back already instead of like, oh shit, we're in Saugatuck, we gotta go now, you know?
Yeah.
It still sucks ass though. Just to get it there? Okay, that works. If they get mad that we're not speeding, they can get bent, dude. Don't worry about turn signal and shit either. I got you on that. Go right to go around? Okay. I hope you don't mind, I'm recording this for content. Watch me have said all that and this fucking thing isn't picking up my audio or something. Alright, I'm gonna hang off your left bag here just so that way they can't say they didn't see it. Alright. Green. Yeah. Well, I didn't. Not.
So it took me like 5 to 8 seconds to figure that out. My camera just turned off,
I guess. You got enough to like tell people what's going on though. Yeah. We're going for inside lane or outside lane? Yeah, I'd rather you cut off traffic safely and not to worry about your bike going full fucking dry that it starts breaking shit, you know? Is that also a known issue, or? Fair. Or is that what causes, that might be what causes the neutral bang though, right? Maybe? It's really weird that it would just do that though out of the blue, you know? I have no idea either. See if Yamaha will do something about it. You know, know, it's a good thing you wear just like low tops, because if you had high tops or boots, you would not have noticed that until it was like way too late. No, I felt that. I forgot about that. Right. You know where it's at, so you don't gotta pull the tank off as far as we know it anyway. So you can check it again, or so you can like send something out.